Hey y'all, so I am outside today. I am enjoying this cooler weather, which for us means we have a high today of about 90 degrees. Lyrifine sent me this electric spin brush to try out. It supposedly for cleaning bathtubs and has this handle that gets longer. This is where you charge it. Has a little strap here to hang it with, so that's cool. And it comes with 2 extra heads to put on it, depending on what you are going to be cleaning. Now, I'm not really all about the bathtubs right now because we're about to rip out our bathtub and completely start over. I'm just not enjoying the 1968 bathroom. But I will show you in the bathtub, since that seems to be what these are most popular for, is cleaning tile and bathtubs. But we're going to see what else we can use this for that might be more appropriate if you're not all about those bathtubs either. So let's go see what we can find to clean with this electric spin brush. So I have been destroying my kitchen sink with stuff like this, paint brushes and paint, washing paint trays out, and my sink is stained, and we're going to see if this electric spin brush can do something about this. I'm going to put some Comet in both sides, and I guess we'll start with this one. Should I get it a little wet first? Alright, let's turn it on. That's low. Okay, there's 2 settings, so. Alright. Alright, we need water. Alright, so I'm not liking that brush for this sink. So how do you change it? Let's see. Oop, it just pops right off. So how about this one? Let's try this one. Yeah, much better. Let's see, we have one more head to try, and that would be this one. Kind of tickles. Alright. Let's see what it did for this side of the sink, if it got any of the paint out. I'm still seeing paint here. So put a little bit more Comet in here. Let's try it on this side of the sink. Alright, well, it's not doing much for the paint stains, but in all fairness, it's not advertised for that sort of thing anyway. So I guess I'm just going to have to use some old-fashioned elbow grease to get it out and quit putting paint in my sink. So let me finish this and we will move on to the next test. Alrighty, so just like in the kitchen, this bathtub has gotten a lot of paint in it lately. We're not even using this bathtub. We're using our outdoor shower we built, which has been really nice. But we're going to give this spin brush a try on this nasty painted old cast iron bathtub, which I can't wait for it to go outside to end up in somebody's garden or something. But anyway, let's give this spin brush a try. I'm just going to get it all wet real quick and get some Comet in here. Should I use this one or should I use that one? Let's try. This one here seems tougher. So I think we'll put that one aside and use this one. Definitely easier to reach across the bathtub. I doubt it's going to do anything about the hard water stains that we've got going on here. That's going to take some CLR. Seems to be doing a better job taking the paint off the porcelain than it did the sink, which I can't remember what that's made out of. Alright, let me get this bathtub finished and I'll be back. Realistically, I'd say this bathtub is cleaner than it's ever been. Still getting torn out though. What I want to use it for is to clean this window, which you can't really see. See that black mildewy looking dirt stuff along there, and then there's a film on the windows. I want to use it to reach these windows and get them good and clean before Tommy starts working on the carport. So that made it much easier to clean those windows than any other method I have tried. Love that it has a telescoping handle. So yeah, for that reason alone, it's worth the money. So there you go. I tested it on the bathtub, on the kitchen sink, and even some windows. I'm now considering using it to clean portions of my truck that really need a good cleaning right now. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this review of the electric spin brush. I will put a link below in case you would like to purchase one. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.